How did your data team then approach to the data collection and analysis of data?
Yeah, so I mean, that depends a little bit on the application. So as you said, the most original product is based on actually a lot of data. So we are recording acceleration data of the track when a train is passing, which really means quite a big volume of data. I don't have the exact numbers. I didn't check with our data engineering team, but I would estimate that now we are recording like 500,000 traces per day, where each trace has, I don't know, 100 kilobytes or something. So it's really like quite a challenging data engineering problem to transmit, process effectively, and so on. But I mean, it's not the only source of data. So I mean, to give some meaning to the data, we also need, kind of contextual data, information about assets that we monitor. So to a layperson, it might look at all the infrastructure and all the switches. So we monitor mostly the switches, so the places where the train can decide whether to go left or right. I think it's turnout in the British English. So they can appear to be very similar, but they differ in many different parameters. So this is like a type of information that we are also collecting either from our customers or when we install the monitoring systems. One big topic for us is the ground truth data. So again, to derive what we see in the signal, we need to understand what is actually the health state, what are the failures that we see there, and so on. And this is quite challenging. So one approach we take to this is we use the data from like maintenance management systems of our clients, where they record results of the inspections and information about which maintenance they did. So the advantage of this type of data is that it covers basically the whole system, but at the same time, it's not very granular and also not very accurate very often. So to go a bit deeper and get the granularity that we need, we also try to incorporate like a feedback loops into either directly our product to get feedback from the people in the field or through our customer support people. And we also do reference measurements sometimes. So we go to the field, we measure the state of the assets, we test different new sensing systems and so on.
So quite a few different approaches.
Yeah, many different. We have to be quite creative. So it's not so easy to get the data, but yeah,